Okay, I spoke at the last one. Go ahead on this
Yeah,
one.
but the last one, the guy just said he wanted to list his house.
Will you want me to do it, or you want to do it?
No, I'll do it.
Hello?
You got it.
Hi, my name is Darren and I, and this is Scott Garrett. We're
Hello.
from Pinnacle Estate Properties in Santa Clarita.
And
And we have a listing right down the street on Wooddale Court, and we want to know if you have any friends or family who'd like to move to this beautiful neighborhood.
not really, but my husband's actually a realtor.
He is? Oh, well,
Yeah.
here's my card anyway.
Well, we work on referrals. Do you know anybody that might be interested in moving to the neighborhood?
I mean, he's probably always at work. You mind sending us a lead or two?
Wow.
Next one. To the next one. What the? 3 o'clock in the afternoon?